Hey everyone, this is Carla R. Jenkins. Welcome to the week ahead, where I give you the top 5 weekly goals I want to accomplish. So today is October 11th, 2021. It's Monday. Here in the U.S. it's Columbus Day, and it's a holiday, and that doesn't mean that any of the videos will stop. So number one is putting my AZ700 to work. I'm officially an Azure cloud engineer, and I am open to receiving full-time direct hire remote and Washington DC cloud engineering positions. As you know, I have significant hands-on experience, and I've also taught others to do and program in Azure. I think that's very important. When you get to this level, when you're doing associate or expert, my ability to teach people for them to be proficient as well as do it myself, that improves both the finance and the business, as well as increasing market share, because you're increasing users, you're increasing value, and you're increasing competency. And I have the ability to manage the cloud network, to do the data architect and the infrastructure architect and network architect design for Azure. In addition, I'm also multi-cloud in Amazon Web Services and Oracle. You can get in touch with me at carlarjenkins.com/contact. So number 2 is, if you haven't already, read the latest Curated by Carla newsletter that came out this past Friday. It's my Twitter newsletter, and it covers this week in AWS as well as AZ700 beta. It's for IT, cloud, and project management. You can subscribe at curatedbycarla.email. I'll put the subscription link in the description if you're watching this on YouTube. If you're watching on a blog, I've already provided a link for you to subscribe. And speaking of YouTube, if you like my content with this video, give it a like, but also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to never miss any videos in IT, cloud, and project management. I specialize in certification, training, and professional development. If you're outside of YouTube, you can subscribe at carlarjenkins.com/YouTube channel. And speaking of videos, number 3 is expect new videos to come out specifically about the new Azure Architect Expert Learning Path. There's been a lot of changes, and I'll put that out. I also have something new from Google Cloud Platform and their initiative of training 40 million people in cloud computing. So this week, those videos will be coming out, as well as others related to IT, cloud, and project management. So once again, for YouTube, you can subscribe by clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon, as well as carlarjenkins.com/YouTube channel. I'll also put my subscription link in the bottom so that you can click on it and join me. Number 4, for Azure, I'm going to continue to sustain the momentum of AZ700 by completing my AZ500. If you watched some of my videos, I mentioned that I dropped studying AZ500, which is Azure Security Technologies, to sit for the beta exam for Azure Network Engineer, which I did pass. But I do recommend, and I'll put the blog post, that you sit for AZ500 first before AZ700, but I'm returning to that to build upon the momentum, as well as I've also decided to sit for the AZ305 beta exam next month. I did a video about the changes, but I think that that'll be very good, put me closer to expert level, and it aligns with really what I want to accomplish. And then number 5 is Terraform. As I mentioned earlier in this video, I am Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Oracle Cloud multi-cloud. So a multi-cloud means learning more than one cloud computing vendor. In this case, I know 3. Regarding Terraform, Terraform is cloud agnostic for infrastructure as code. With AWS, you have CloudFormation. With Azure, you have Azure Resource Manager. being able to do something cloud agnostic that plays well with others really expands. I'm always about not just cloud journey, but becoming better, learning more, and that means always being able to have relevant training, relevant skill sets, and that's what Terraform is for me. So those are my top 5. Remember, hit the subscribe and the bell icon to never miss any videos. For all things Carla R. Jenkins, myself, go to my website, carlarjenkins.com. I'll be back this week on Wednesday with the midweek review and Friday with the weekend review. Thank you for all of your support, and I'll see everybody in the next video.